I can't even begin to think about tapping into this thing. There's some serious shit going on in this bike. Holy cow. Oregon Motorcycle back here. Today we are taking a look at the Triumph Speed Triple 1050. This is a 2019 model, and let me tell you what, this is an awesome machine. This is the RS version, so it's coming stock from the factory with Brembo brakes, steel braided lines, Olean suspension, LED lights, I believe all around. Is it all around, Juan? Or it's
so
just the
there's
hell?
LED accents, and then the actual lights that they can use is halogen here, but in Europe you can use it all around LEDs.
Okay, okay. And then it's coming with the aero exhaust.
Yeah, aero
from the
exhaust.
factory.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
The only thing that I added were the red accents on the handlebars and the red accent for the shifter. Everything else is stock.
It's not the same. Like it'll turn.
So how much horsepower does this have?
It's about 150.
Nice. And this has traction control and ABS and all that stuff.
Yeah, traction control, ABS. There's an IMU, so I think that's what it's called. Where basically, it's like optimized braking or whatever. What it does is there's a sensor that's always calculating your lean angle,
Okay.
and so what it'll do is it'll turn up or down your traction control and your ABS depending on how much lean you're in the middle of.
Sweet. Awesome. Let's take a look at the dash. So it's keyless, right? There's no key.
Yeah.
And so you have an on-off switch right here.
Yep.
And that'll power the bike on, and then you carry a key fob in your pocket, right?
Yeah. You just carry a key fob. You can turn it on and off. It only works about like 5 meters, 10 meters away.
Okay.
It's pretty close, so you can turn it on and off. But there's not much of a chance of someone, kind of intercepting the signal.
Gotcha. So the lights come on, the dash comes on automatically. Take a look at the dash, try to get some of the reflection out. It's pretty sweet.
So you have a bunch of rider modes. So rider is customizable. So you can turn up, down the engine, whatever it is. Traction control, you can turn up and down. There's rain. I think this is road, sport, and then track. And then there's a lap timer, all types of stuff. And then each one has different engine settings and traction control and ABS settings.
Very, very nice. Let's hear it. Fire it up. Let's hear it. Got a deep rumble. Speed Triple 1050 2019 model. Bad Nana Gemma.
It's all on here, right?
Rev it up. Yeah, baby. Whew. Steering feels crazy on this. The torque is insane. Man, this is like a beefy bike.
quick shifter up and down.
Oh, that's right, huh? Do you have to be going a certain speed?
Above like 3,000 or so, 4,000.
The steering feels so heavy on this bike.
What's that?
The steering feels really heavy.
It's there's a quick shifter up and down.
Holy shit!
What?
The power is like instantaneous on this thing. Boy, there's a lot here. There's a lot of bike right here.
We're a good pull. Go over to the.
No, I don't want to loop it, dude. Hell no. There's so much power here.
Over here, man. Just go this way.
I'm good. I'm good. Woo! I can't even begin to think about tapping into this thing. There's some serious shit going on in this bike. Holy cow. Did you give me the key fob?
No.
Oh, you kept it the whole time?
Yeah.
Oh, and they can go away and run like that?
Yeah.
As long as you start it? Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Jeez Louise.
Did you try the quick shifter up and down?
Yeah, but barely. But I wasn't going that fast. Don't want to be getting on. Dude, the power's just like all of a sudden. Golly. That thing's
Shit.
crazy, dude. It's crazy.
You really should have tried the auto flipper. I'm telling you, it's something
Yeah.
else, bro.
Probably have to get on the street to really experience it.